You might know it as bentonite clay, and it's 100% natural calcium. Now I love anything natural on my hair, so we're gonna try this today. So I've seen some girls on YouTube trying that, so hopefully it works for me, because you know I've got really bad hyperpigmentation, I've got really bad skin, breakouts, dry skin, hyperpigmentation, acne, you name it, I got it, or I've had it at some point in my life. So reviews. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how to mix this up. Mix it with apple cider vinegar. You could just mix it with apple cider vinegar, but I'm gonna add some fresh water as well with my mixture. First thing I'm gonna do is detangle my hair. I'm being really rough right now with my hair, and I'm meant to be gentle, but sometimes it really gets on my nerves. My hair's been in a bun for about a week, so I've just put in some fresh water, not old water that's been here for 3 weeks. Obviously, dampen your hair, or you could put your hair under the sink or whatever, under the shower, and get it wet, then detangle like that. It's easier and your hair will break less. But when you try and brush it with, you know, when it's dry, then you're gonna break all your ends off. Then proper detangle it with the detangling brush, which is this. And yeah, I'll be back in a minute when my hair is detangled. I've detangled all my hair and it's shrunk because of the water. Now we make the paste. So like I said, this is bentonite clay, 100% natural calcium. I actually bought my clay from eBay from a company called Organic Beauty, and they came with instructions on how to make it. The first thing to remember is don't put the clay in any metal thing, or if you have metal on your body, like for example my piercing over here, and yeah, I have to cover them with tape or take them out when I apply. Yeah, mix raw apple cider vinegar and or water, so I'm gonna use vinegar and water for mine. Use a non-metal bowl and utensils. Stir the mixture well into a smooth paste. I've got my bowl, it's plastic, and my utensil. This is what I'm gonna mix my paste. But first, actually guys, because I haven't washed my hair in 2.5 weeks, I'm just gonna go and quickly use this Sheer Moisture Anti-Breakage Strengthening Shampoo. I'll be back after. I've now washed my hair with shampoo, and I've got my mixture right here. Most people start with their hair, but I'm going to start with my face. I must say the apple cider vinegar smell is quite strong. Oh god, I feel like I'm eating fish and chips or something. Do you know what I mean? Now onto the hair. It's still quite wet actually, so that's a good thing. that? What? What? My face is literally clayed up, so clayed up. It's hard. I don't think I've ever worn any face mask that dries up like this. Literally feels like a facelift. Even me talking feels like it's just cracking. Anyway, I've just finished my hair. I feel like I'm a bit used to the vinegar smell now, so it says leave it on for 5 to 10 or 5 to 15 minutes, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'll be back to see if there's a difference with the definition of my hair and my face. See you in a minute. Bye. Can you see? It's dried up, so dried up. My face though feels dry AF. It's like the desert. It's actually quite cool though. I like it. I could stay like this all day. Well, I'm gonna go wash it now, then I'll show you guys the after. I've just finished rinsing the bentonite clay off my hair, and I must say my hair feels so soft, so light, so fluffy. Oh, it's bentonite clay works, that's all I'm gonna say. Just look at that. My hair has never been that defined. Thank you for watching my video, and if you'd like any more videos, please let me know. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.